Today we are going to paint this.
But how?
Let me show you. You have to follow step by step.
Okay.
Let's paint the sky. I am trying to blend magenta or red. Now let's blend the orange with red. Finally, blend the yellow like this. Use white color here. Now we will paint the water. Again I am using magenta and red color to paint the water. I am trying to paint the water with this red color. This will be our sun reflection area. Later we will add highlights here. Similar way, blend the blue and orange color. Let's add some water reflection here with orange color. Now I am adding some cloud here. I am using magenta and red color. Now adding some cloud with orange color. Now I am adding some highlight on cloud. Let's paint some ground with black color. Painting some rocks as well. Now it's time to add a coconut tree. Similar way, you can add more trees if you want. Final step, let me add some highlight. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Let's remove the masking tape. Finally, our painting is ready.
Beautiful. Thanks for watching.